Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here scroll and find wallpaper and personalization. So here, after scrolling down, you can check some online wallpapers, which are available, of course, if you've got the internet connection. If you do not have one, you will have a system wallpaper, so you can still change the wallpaper. Here we've got pretty options to choose from. However, I'll pick something from the online wallpapers. You can just tap on this option here. And you will be transferred to the themes, where you can check different categories of the wallpapers, different options. So it's up to you. I'll actually pick this one. So just tap on the wallpaper and it will appear on the full screen. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. I don't want to use the carousel, so I just don't agree. Of course you can. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.